in case you think Alkit doesn't pay, this is my balance on Alkit, and it didn't just get to this level. Like I had to work and get paid. Now this is my balance on Alkit, the balance that I can withdraw. Once I click on the withdraw, I have to update my bank details. I'm not willing to withdraw it now because I want it to accumulate. You understand? So how all you just have to do is update your bank details and you withdraw your money. So I'll be showing you guys how you can add your social media to Outkit in this video. So hello beautiful people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do what to subscribe for returning subscriber. Thank you. So in our video today, I'll be taking you guys through how you can start your tax on Outkit, outkit.com. Now this is my Outkit app. Actually I created a video like a week or 2 weeks ago about Outkit, and I've been getting a lot of messages on Telegram and on the comment section about how you can go about starting your first tax on Howkit. Well, the truth is, some of you still don't believe that you can make money on Howkit, but for some of us that believe, I'm actually going to be doing a video on how you can start getting making money on this Howkit. Now, guys, please, for those of you that are chatting me up, it is important that you have a specific mindset. And as in, you have to have your mindset patterned in a manner that is necessary when you want to make money online. And that is why I'm giving away three of my ebooks to you guys. These ebooks, I sell one on seller for like 3,500, but I'm giving you the three for 1,200 because you guys are like one in a million to me. You understand? So I'm giving you guys the three ebook because it is focused on what my niche is about, how to make money. You understand? Those three ebooks will reshapen your mind. Like it will refocus your mindset, you get, and everything that has to do with, you know side hustle and making money at home, because you have to think for you to be rich. Now don't just have the idea that okay, I just woke up and I started making money online. You understand? For you to trend, it is just the online business is just like your physical business. You understand? So you need to put in some reading, you get. So that is why I'm giving you these three ebooks for just 1,200. The link will be in the description or on the Telegram channel. You understand? So try and get these ebooks and read it. And once you read it, you realize that your thinking about side also, or your mindset about how you can make money online, will be reshaped. In that way, you can chat me up with necessary questions because I'm also a busy person. You get, some of you will come to my DM and saying some sort of things. You have to have your mindset in the pattern that okay, this is my kind of lady. Like this is the kind of route I want to take. So these are the type of things I can ask, and the type of discussions I can have. You understand? So guys, in this video, like I said I'll be showing you guys how you can make money on this particular outfit. I made a video about it few days ago, and as you can see, I've made some money here, as you can see, just few days ago. So the truth is, in as much as this app you can make money on it, you still have to devote your time and energy. You understand? For some of us, if you know that you don't really have that time and you have a spare phone, you can give maybe your sibling or your neighbor. There's every family where you have one sibling or one neighbor that likes to hold your phone. Auntie, let me hold your phone now. Uncle, let me hold your phone. Give the child, let the child be doing the work. You understand? But then again, let's just head straight to this video. And if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, please do well to join. So right now I'll be clicking on this end button. So this is end button. You can earn in two ways, and right now I'll be clicking on perform social tax and earn daily. So once you click on it, as you can see, it has, you can perform 114 engagement tasks. You understand? Like the day I created this video, they have about 118. So, and today they have about 114. Now their websites reload, like people post, thousands of people will post on this website. Some post for visibility, some post to gain followers, some subscribers, some whatever it is. You understand? Your own is just for you to come here and do what and make money. You understand? So for the purpose of this video, I'll be clicking on this TikTok one. This post advert on TikTok earning is 100 naira per advert. So what I'll just be doing is just to click on this TikTok, select it. Yeah, so now it says I have to link my TikTok account, and this is where some of you are having issues. Now, for your TikTok account, it says you have to have 1,000 followers for you to link it. Now, if you know that you don't have that one, I said that, or I discussed with someone on how you can get it. Just go on your TikTok account and duet viral videos. Like you can duet viral videos with just your image. You understand? Let me show you an example of what I'm trying to say. So here I'm going to open this TikTok account here. So I'll show you example of viral videos that you can duet. So as you can see, this particular account has 1,700 followers, and these followers were gotten within a few days. You understand? They were gotten within a few days. So let me just show you activities. Okay, see all. So as you can see all these activities. These are all followers. These are all followers. You understand? These are all followers and comments. These are all followers and comments within a few days on the TikTok account. This is just used for experiment. You get. So as you can see, if I come down here, you will see videos that was actually duet, like viral videos I did duet for. Okay, let me just check for one that is very, very viral. Okay, let's use this. Okay, as you can see, it's not even showing my face. TikTok has a lot of effects. You understand? TikTok has a lot of effects. It's not even showing my face. This particular one, if I just have my picture there, you understand? It's not showing. I'm not videoing myself like that completely. So that is how you can go viral on TikTok and get your 1,000 subscribers or followers. Now, if you cannot do that, you have your Facebook account. You can link your Facebook account, because, and if you don't have 1,000 followers on Facebook, just go to the accept friend request section or add friend request section. You will get the 1,000 in no time. So I'll just click on this add TikTok account. So here it says that they dropped a lot of information here, which I'll just be reading just like a few. So it says your TikTok account must have been open for at least 1 year ago. You understand? Whether the TikTok is open for a year or a year plus, but that is just their own instruction. So it says in order to link your TikTok account to Alkit, you have to upload a post to your TikTok account using the advert text and the advert video shown below. Now, if you're looking for the advert video, you have to click on this download advert. So if you click on this download advert, it will just take you to where the advert is, and you have to download it. So this is the advert. I'll press it down and I'll click on download image. So right now it's downloading. Okay, it's done downloading. I'll click on the open. Now this is the image on my phone. So the next thing I'll just do is to copy this particular text here, because that is what the instruction is saying. You understand? So I'll just click on this one. I'll click on this one and I'll click select all and I'll click copy. You understand? So here is what I will do. I'll just go back to my TikTok account and I'll post this particular image and the the text I copied on the TikTok account. So on here and on this plus button option, okay, allow. I'm just doing this video to show you guys. So I'll click on the upload and I'll upload this particular image. Next, once I upload the image, it said add a description. I can click on add a description here and I'll post it here, and I will click on save and then I'll next it. Now this is the description I have been given. You understand? So I'll just click on post. As you can see, the post has been uploaded successfully. So I will just come down to these three dots and I will need to copy the particular post link. So this is what we have on the three dots. After clicking it, now you come down to where it says copy link and then you click on it. Link has been copied. So you minimize it and come back here, and then as you can see down here, it gives us two box where you can post your TikTok profile link and the TikTok post link. This link that we posted now. So I'll click on this box and I will paste the post link here. I will minimize it again. This is where most of you complain that you have issues where how to get your TikTok profile link. So here is what you do. After opening your TikTok profile back, you come to this four, will I say four or three, is it line space or dots? Then you click on setting and privacy. Setting and privacy. Then you click on share profile. So once you click on the share profile, you click on copy link. So it will automatically copy your profile link. And then you minimize it back again and head back to our kit, and then you come here and then you click on the paste whatever and you hit the link account. So as you can see, it has already on this green light for us. If it didn't accept it, you will see this red whatever. Now it says as you can see, your TikTok profile and post is being reviewed, which automatically will be accepted after the review, because as you can see, it's green, which means I'm not flaunting any rules. You understand? But once you're flaunting a rule, you even see it. The red this thing will be up. So the red this thing will be up. So you just close it. After closing it, you wait for them to review it. Once they review it, what you have is you have all the tags under TikTok. You understand? So I don't want this video to be too lengthy. As you can see, it's not looking the way it was before. So that's how you can link your TikTok account to your Outkit. And the same way you can link every other account. You can link every other account to your Outkit in this same manner. You understand? So guys, you can also come here and advertise. Like I said, you can come here and advertise if you have a business, like a physical business you want to advertise. You can come here and advertise on Outkit. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.